Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have a new sneaker unboxing. We have kind of taken a little break from YouTube, but we're back. We have a few shoes to review, and we're going to start off with this one. These are the Salehe Bembury Pollex Clog from Crocs. I really like these when they come out all the time. I always enter the raffles, always miss on them. And the last few I wasn't really feeling too much. There was just like that orange one, a white pair that I really didn't care for either. But these are the all black ones. It's called the Sasquatch, and I'm really hyped for these. So these actually come in a box. Most Crocs come in just like a bag, but as you see, it says Salehe Bembury Pollex Clog black. I got these in a men's 11, which is what I usually go with Crocs. I was able to pick these up from Extra Butter. They sent out a app notification, so I was able to pick them up right as they dropped. And they actually dropped them a couple days late because I had already missed out on the Crocs release, on a few different other places too. But with these on Extra Butter, they sent me a notification on the app and I was able to get them with no problem. Taking a look at them, I mean, it's pretty simple, all black. I really do like how they do the whole mold on this one. So it's like his fingerprint. I think that looks really, really cool. Bottom plays the same way, just that fingerprint going through. Very, very simple, very on trend with everything else that's coming out, like the Yeezy foam runners. Those have been super popular. All these foam shoes that are coming out, different clogs, these are the ones. I've tried a few different of the foam shoes that have come out these years, and I think these look the best hands down. I didn't really care for the foam runners. Those I didn't really like. Crocs, I'm always wearing Crocs, so those, you know, of course I'm gonna go with them. And then Crocs releasing this, something a little bit different, really, really like it. But yeah, these are definitely gonna be some beaters for me. Just an all black Croc, you can mess these up, you can't really tell. And plus, it's this version of it, so a lot of people are gonna know what this is. But yeah, overall, really, really happy I was able to pick these up, and shout out to Extra Butter for that notification. I saw a lot of people talking about sizing on these to make sure you go down like 2 sizes or something like that. I've stuck with 11 with all my Crocs and they all fit pretty much the same. So I went the same size, these fit the same. But hey, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little unboxing of the Salehe Bembury Pollex Clog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch you guys next time.